Whoa, do you see this hairline right now? Uh, whoa. Hey guys, welcome to this tutorial. So today I am going to be doing a wig review, and this is more cosplay oriented for the people who are really interested in cosplay and wigs. So if you are not, feel free to click out. I know that sometimes this doesn't appeal to all of my subscribers, but for the people who are into cosplays and transforming, then this one is perfect for you. Now, as you can tell from the title of the video, this wig is perfect for Starfire, and it is from a company called Wigs. I have done a video on Wigs before, and I love their wigs. They're known for having the hairlines to be super snatched. And as in the intro, like that was like one of the first takes I got. I was just like, whoa, like this hairline is snatched. It's amazing. So if you guys didn't know, I do have a secondary account, and it is my cosplay account. It's for only cosplay. I do Disney looks, I do Marvel looks, it's just growing. I just started it, so whatever I find, I do like cos tests, they're not real costumes, so I just make the costumes on my own. So you guys can follow that account. The name will be right here if you guys are interested. But anyways, like I said, this wig right here is from Wigs, and the sole purpose of this video is to review it, style it, show you guys how to make it look cute, especially for cosplay and whatnot. So like I said, this one is perfect for Starfire. You have your classic Starfire from the comics where she doesn't have bangs. And Starfire has gone through multiple makeovers, I guess, with what people want to make her look like and what they have their idea for comics and everything. So she doesn't always have bangs, and this wig right here doesn't have bangs. As you can see, it's a very snatched hairline, and it's amazing. I don't even have wig glue on, and the hairline is just, oh, it's breathtaking. Like, I honestly didn't think I was gonna like this wig on me as much as I do right now. Like, I thought it's only gonna be for cosplay, but I really want to step outside right now. So far, what I think it is a very beautiful length. I love this length. It's not too long. I hate wigs that are excessively long because those tangle really bad. I have over 40 wigs. So that's a lot of storage, and wigs will tangle fast if they're over 22 inches. So this wig right here, I have all the details. It is the Wigs mixed orange synthetic lace front wig, and this wig is 22 inches, so it's at that cutoff point. When they're over 22 inches, it starts getting a little long for me, a little harder to take care of, more maintenance, will get tangled in storage unless you have a dozen wig heads. Now you can restyle this wig if you want up to 170 degrees Celsius. And there are adjustable straps on both sides and 3 combs. Now the 3 combs are located on this side, and the bottom. So this is a natural hairline, it says, which I can see that, and a 1.5 inches of parting space, and each wig that you get comes with a free wig cap, and I can show you. It came in this lovely sleek black box right here. And inside of the box, obviously the wig came in this really good quality bag. Right? How can a bag be good quality? But what I mean by that is if you are the type of person that likes to leave your wigs in storage in a bag like this, the bag isn't excessively long and will not take up that much space. So that is what I mean by good quality. And inside are some bobby pins. That is so cute. It's like Easter bunnies on it. So bobby pins, and then your generic free wig cap. So they're usually, when companies provide wig caps, they just give you the generic like bold wig cap, which aren't necessarily my favorite, but hey, it's a free wig cap. You cannot complain. So now I'm going to show you guys the length. I'm going to then show you guys the hairline and then how to style. So length, hairline, style. So if you want to skip any section right now, go ahead. within my first earlier wig reviews, I didn't apparently show the hairline long enough, and that really makes people mad. So definitely want to go in sections to show you guys, because like I said, if you were using this for cosplay, you want to find your perfect wig. So let me start by showing you guys the length. So as you can see, this wig is 22 inches long. It is the perfect length for me. It goes just a little bit below my chest and near my waist. I feel like this is the exact length of Starfire's hair in cartoon renditions and obviously the comics. So I see, but I mean by cartoon renditions is like, I see a lot of artwork and people usually make her hair this length. There is a little bit of shedding, but what synthetic wig doesn't. It's not excessive, which is good. And this is how it looks in the back. So this is a gorgeous ombre type. So it's bright orange at the top and then kind of fades into a less orange yellow towards the ends. Yeah, it's really good thickness also. Like, it just feels good quality. Like, I love weekend wigs because their wigs are always really full and then really great hairline, so that's really important. So that's the next thing we're going to talk about, the hairline. So let's zoom in so you guys can see how it lays on my head and then how it parts a little bit. Okay, hi. So there's a hair in my eye, but I can't see it. I got it. Alright, so here is the hairline. No wig glue, wow. And I kind of want to keep it very wig hairline because like I said, this is for cosplay, and when you usually do cosplay you can tell it's a wig so you won't care. But if you're one of those people that like to rock bright neon wigs out in public and want the hairline to be more realistic, you might want to cut off some baby hairs and pluck. So I have a tiny head, so if I go like this, it will lift, but with some wig glue it will stay put, and you can tell. So when you see me playing around with it, it will lift, but as you can see, it lays really well so far. Man, I just really realized I need to retouch my roots because that's looking pretty dark. Same on this side, it lifts up when I pull it. And then I'm going to zoom out just a little bit to show more of the top of the head. Has no visible like part, like there's no scalp. So you might want to put concealer there. And like they said, it's a free part, so if you want to part it to this side, you are not going to have trouble doing that. And that's how it looks. You can't really see the stitching when you do that, which is great. So you want to just, and it's very easy, no tangles. Like, I'm just running my fingers through my head. So if you want to do something like a part like this, then that'll work. And then if you want to do the same thing on the other side, it's just easily free part. A lot of the times wigs already come with one of those natural parts in the middle, so it's really hard to throw the hair over. But in this case, it's super simple and it looks really, really good. So you are just going to be parting it like this, and then you'll get like that cute tossed over hair look. So that is the hairline. Like, thrown over to this side, it's just very cool and lioness. So as I showed you the parting, now I'm going to show you guys cool ways to style it because it is such a free part wig. I have my ponytails ready, and what I want to do is create space buttons. So let's see how good this wig can handle the space buns. So I want to leave some hairs down, and then I want to pick this up over here and then create my first space bun. This looks cute like this, like two pigtails up, and because the lace at here is so good, it's gonna stay nice. But I want to create some space buns because with hair color this cool, space buns would look amazing. So I'm creating my first one. Pin slid in really nicely. Usually I have trouble putting bobby pins in a wig, but there is our first space bun. It styled like a dream, and now this is the next side. I get like the same amount of hair on both sides, so not one is lopsided. As always, I do space buns a little lopsided. Okay, that one was a fail. Let's try it again. Okay, so that's the space buns. This one's a little wonky, but I don't want to redo that. It's styled like a dream. Wow, look, with it parted up like this, it looks like it's my real hair because you can't see the stitching. That's really nice. Whenever you can see the stitching is when it gets a little embarrassing to style. Zoom in so you guys can see what I'm talking about. As you can tell, you can't see the stitching. This is how it would look up, half up, half down, and I think it looks like really rad, like it looks cool. Another thing you could do, which I find adorable always, is placing a beanie over your wig. No one will know you're wearing a wig. No one's gonna have the audacity to come up to you and say that. So this is really cute. I love this. Interested, I will link it down below, also with a 10% coupon code, which if you use the code Nicole, you can get 10% off your purchase. So I hope you guys enjoyed this in-depth wig review. Let me know if you guys like the in-depth wig reviews more or the shorter ones at the beginning of a tutorial more. So sound off below and I will see you in my next video. Bye guys.